I always talk about what we gonna do. What are we going to do? As in, retirement is running out. You see how the world is, and of course, Trump. They don't care about us. They do not care about us. So what are we going to do? So I'll give some tips on how we can create it ourselves, generational wealth for ourselves. How can we get rich? So first thing I'm gonna say is make sure you have a savings account. Right, I say this in literally every video where I do tutorials. I always say have a savings account and have about 3 months of money saved in there, because you don't know what's going to happen. Right, so that's the main thing. Have a savings account. You have a savings account, boom. But none's gonna work if you're not employed. You need to start generating income, because you need money, of course, to live, for bills, and also to fund your lifestyle. So you need cash. All right, boom. So get a job. And it doesn't matter. Well, if you're a full-time student, part-time job. All right, boom. So we have the savings account. We have some money generated, some income. We start a business. Now, starting a business is not easy, and don't be like me. When I first started, I just knew I was gonna sell out. I bought so much inventory and got stuck with it. So don't do that. But that's another thing. So start a business. I know a lot of people say when you get the weights, you see like a gap in the economy, and then try to fulfill that. No, I said just do what you want. Do what you want. When I started selling clothes, this guy I was talking to, he used to say I'm basic for selling clothes, because everybody sells clothes. It don't matter. McDonald's don't care what Burger King doing, so it does not matter. Sorry, there's a lot going on. And I'm also right now we're about to start setting it up. I am also a vendor as well, so that's another way you can generate income. Vending, doing pop-ups, and I feel like it's only popular out here in California, because every time I'm live streaming, everyone always question like, what is this? What is this? Like, what are you doing? Like it seems like they probably could be trolling me, but anyway, pop up. That's a nice way to make money and get your business name out there and get content. I literally everything I do is content. Okay, literally everything that I do is content. Also, another good thing you can do is resell your clothes. Well, resell designer items. The way to make money. Now, my final tip is social media. Social media. I know I'm still struggling, and the money that I do get is only like gas money, but it's something, and I do look forward to it every month. So create content, post something, especially on TikTok and Instagram. I am monetized on all my social media platforms, and I suggest everyone else does that one as well. A quick video on how to create wealth for yourself. That's the perfect way to say it. A quick video, straight to the point, some tips, and also I want to do another video on stocks, because I'm slowly beginning to love stocks. There's a lot going on. Like literally, as soon as I turn the camera, it seems like it's trucks back and forth.